It's new tool day. I love getting new tools, and thank you to Olsa Tools for sending this out. But guys, I just want to show you this real quick. Not only are these flex heads, they ratchet. Hold on here, and they're 120 tooth, and they have like this new lock grip in it. So you can look at the open-ended side of it here. It allows you to get off really stuck faster. So stuff that's been rounded off. Now, this isn't designed to really, truly get something completely rounded off. Isn't one of those tools, but it's to help pretty much get something that's 80 to 90% rounded off. I really like that design. And again, 120 tooth. I have my old Gearwrench, which is 72, works, but I have had multiple instances in tight areas where 72 teeth is just not enough. I thought these were gonna be 90, but they're 120 tooth. That is insane. All right, let's demonstrate quick. These 120 tooth flex head ratcheting wrenches from Olsa Tools. Comes in a complete set, goes the whole way down to 8, the whole way up to 19. Most don't have that, I love that. Makes it really, really convenient. But let me show you how nice these are and where it comes in handy. Here's a prime situation. I've got this nut here that's come loose on my one wastegate tube. Well, I can't get a regular ratchet on it. This also needs to have a tight radius because I need to get on it like so, and see, I have to have it flexed out, and you can see at a weird angle, I can only make many turns, but it allows me to finally get it tight. And on top of it, it like locks into the teeth on it or whatever. You guys can get it here. If I can get a view, see how it has like these almost like gripping teeth. Never seen that before. It's really, really nice. Again, 122, so it's very fine. Let's listen. Listen to that. Fantastic to use, guys. Very, very impressed with this. Open-ended side is amazing. Something like this here, which has tons and tons of paint on it, boom. Able to literally make one little quick turn. It's that easy. It grips onto it. I don't have to worry about slipping off. And this would be great in all those tight areas. Again, comes in a set from 8 up to 19, 120 tooth, flex head, great tool. Thank you, Olsa Tools. Fantastic product.